Isn't that funny? That is so funny. Let's watch that again. Let me just show everybody here why you're laughing. Where's that squirrel? There's that funny squirrel. You love when he gets wet. I like the part where the squirrel gets hit on the head. It's